Hey YouTube, I'm getting ready for work. It's my restroom. This is my night shirt. Y'all see me with this shirt on? This is my sleeping shirt. Cause when you see me a couple times, I got this on. I'm ready to go to bed. Anywho, I have no eyelashes. Let me turn the camera around. That should be up here somewhere. I guess. I don't know. Well, some shit popped up, some alphabets on it. But yeah. Anyway, the purpose of this video is because I was in the grocery store yesterday and I had to sneeze. And I was scared to sneeze. So am I the only one that try to suppress their sneezes when they're in public or coughs or whatever? Because my allergies is real bad. So yeah. That's the reason I make this video. I want to know if I was the only one that had that issue. I'm trying to turn my camera around. Sally Smears. I see how tall I am. See how I am next to the door. Can't you see? So I am 6'1". So yeah, but I was trying to turn it around, but apparently it's not gonna happen. I still got my sleeping clothes on. I'm getting ready for work. Yeah, but I was just trying to see, am I the only one that try to suppress their cough in public? Because I don't need to looking at me like I'm crazy. Yeah, because my allergies was fucked up before the coronas. I know this is a new weed, but there's something that's different about it. Oh well. Let me get ready for work because I gotta go by the store because the store is closed. They open and close at 8, so they be about to close when I get out. So let me go to the store. And see, I ordered tissue for my job because my job is like a distribution center. So I ordered by the case. So I'm gonna put my order in today, and it's like 80 rolls for like $40. So I'll be all right. I did get a lot of water yesterday, but we'll see. I'm not a big water drinker. But I see they got a lot of wine and stuff. I had got some wine for my bar. But other than that, yeah. Let me get ready for work, y'all. But this was just some quick. And I thought I could turn this camera back around, but I guess not. But yeah, this is my bathroom. Okay, the garden tub, I don't know. That's a lot to be clean, and they need like something like a well, they got something like that because I had it. I need to find. They have it at HEB. It's kind of like it's like a short little mop handle, but it got like a sponge thing at the bottom when you clean your tub out. That's what I need for that because I can't see me drunk one night trying to clean my tub out and fall in that motherfucker. But yeah, so let me finish getting ready for work. Cause I'm tired. And I'm ready to get this day over with. Okay. Bye, y'all. Cause y'all know I ain't putting no makeup on today, but I'm definitely putting on some eyelashes. Yeah, but let me know if you be trying to hide your cough in public. Inquiring minds want to know. Cause I damn sure yesterday I feel weird as hell cause I had to sneeze. All right. Bye.